Hi, I'd like to introduce you to a new little kit that we've developed. It's called the Production Sound Safety Kit, and it's a collection of items that will really help you to be more efficient and more safe on the set when getting back into the swing of work. So this is the box, that's what it looks like, and here it gives you a brief description of what it includes. So it includes our visor cap, some lav mic pouches, 2 face masks, some accessory tubs, cable binders, which are really cool as well, 4 dispenser bottles, which you can fill with any type of cleaner you like, and some marker pens for marking the items. And yeah, that's also included on the back. So let's have a look at what's inside the Production Sound Safety Kit. Let's open it up. So there you have it. There's the cap, and visor cap is it's got BBI on the front, making sound better, embroidered into the back. These press studs on the side, and that allows you to connect the visor over your face to protect you. 2 marker pens, 1 green and 1 black, and these are double-sided, so you've got a thick marker on the one side and you've got a thin marker on the other side, both the same. Then we have some of the lav mic pouches, and these are the small ones, so they are see-through, so you can see what's inside them. You get the stickers, of course, as well. But yeah, they see through and they seal up very easily to make sure that anything inside is sealed off. So there's 3 of those, and of course you can mark in the notes if you need to mark, for example, talent names, that kind of stuff. And then we've got 4 dispenser bottles, and these come with a flip top, like so. You can unscrew that and fill them up with any type of alcohol cleaner, and they come with a handy carabiner, so that can be clipped onto your belt strap and kept to hand. Also, this white area over here, of course, coupled with the markers, you can mark exactly what's in there. And then inside the larger lav mic pouches, the first one we have all the cable binders. Now these are really cool. There's 5 different lengths. You get 10 cable binders, 2 of each. I'll just pop this out of the way so you can see them. So that's the short one. Then you have a medium one, a long one, and an extra long one. I think I've missed one out in the middle. This guy here. So whatever cables you've got, you can use these to bind your cables, tie kit together. It's actually really useful. We've used these, they're bendable, and you can obviously straighten them again, and they're bendable many times. It's a very strong solution. So we use these as kind of as phone holders, that kind of stuff. You can fashion things to put over your computer screen, anything you can really come up with for these, so they're really cool. In the purest form, you can bind cables very quickly, just like that, and that won't damage the cable because they're coated in a soft rubber, and that'll keep everything together. Those are the cable binders, so you get 10 of those. Then in the larger lav mic pouches, they're designed to fit a whole kit. For example, a transmitter in a belt with mic attached would fit in the larger mic pouch. You could have a whole mic kit for one of your talent, one of the cast inside one lav mic pouch. Zip it up and you can put their name on the notes and you can hand that off to them, and then they can hand it back to you at the end of the day. So that's really useful. Those are the large ones. There's 2 more, so you get 3 of each, 3 small and 3 large. These are the other 2, and they contain some of the other kit. So this one contains our lab accessory tubs, and it's a little plastic sealed screw top tub, and that's we found really useful for storing things like your lab concealers, including with the metal bits and stuff like that. So that's really useful. Keeps them sealed. Squeaks a little bit, and there you go, making sound better. You can also use them for invisible lav covers, fur, outdoor or original, and it means they kept all in one place, and of course for the wind bubbles, just make sure you get the legs in there. Et voila. So you get 8 of the accessory tubs. And so then we have the last thing, which is the 2 masks. And these are printed with I love you on the sides. So I'll open that up. And these face masks are cotton, 100% cotton, multiply, very soft, and the elastic's very comfortable as well. So you can see the stitching is slightly stretchy, the material is slightly stretchy, and it has I love you printed on the outside, which just spark a nice conversation. And you get 2 of those. And the last of the lav pouches. So that's the production sound safety kit. We hope you find it useful. Thanks for watching.